Imagine that now you gave this overall picture, right, where Saudi is going and what is the big picture and the vision. But I think would be amazing because we all hear in media these huge projects that are fairly big. So I think would be amazing to mention a few of them and just give some light on what's happening.
Thank you very much. I like this question because it gives me an opportunity to introduce a brand to everyone here. Before we go to that, let me talk about the projects you mentioned. I'm sure everyone here heard of Saudi giga and mega projects. Giga projects are the projects that cost more than $10 billion, and the mega are the one projects that their cost is more than $1 billion. Giga projects like Niyom, Ritzi, القديه, and the mega projects we have Al-Ula, we have King Salman Park, King Abdullah Financial District. Those giga and mega projects, obviously, by themselves, they will have a lot of supporting opportunities as well. That, you know, when it comes to retail, hospitality, services, crowd management, for example, in Qiddiya. So there is a lot of opportunities and projects within these projects for the investors. But what I would like to mention here and focus on is Invest Saudi. So as Bodin just asked now, what are projects available? So Invest Saudi is the promotion brand of the kingdom. We use Invest Saudi to market Saudi Arabia to the world. And it has so many different tools and facilities that allows investors to understand the Saudi investment ecosystem and the Saudi opportunities available. One of which is the Invest Saudi online portal. As I mentioned, we have more than 16 sectors in the ministry and 22 subsectors. All of those working regularly to come up with investment opportunities that are needed in the ecosystem between now and 2030. All of those opportunities, all of those projects are uploaded on Invest Saudi. So once, you know, the investor, while he's sitting home, you know, abroad in the States, will go to Invest Saudi.sa, will choose the opportunities, will go into the sector that he's into. Is it petrochemicals, if it's quality of life, if it's manufacturing, and we'll take a look at the different opportunities we have. Each opportunity will have a few slides where it highlights CapEx, value proposition, market data, expected return based on benchmarks, and a link obviously to connect you to the relevant stakeholder in that sector. Once you start your connection with that representative from the ministry, then you will have a partner that will take you through registration, introduction to the rest of the ecosystem, as well as helping you with your study, getting you the right studies. If you're looking for partnership with a local investor through the ministry, we'll make sure that we connect you with the right local investor. And also, what you could see on Invest Saudi, other than the opportunities themselves, you could see the data related to the various regions in the kingdom, the population, demographics, and all of that. So it is a very strong tool, and I would really recommend that, you know, people take a look at it, especially people interested in exploring investments in the kingdom, because it will showcase all the different opportunities then, and it will connect you with the right partner from the government to take you through the steps you need to actually achieve what you're looking for in the kingdom.